بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على النبي الكريم وبعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us the opportunity to continue our lesson in Kitab AlAkhdari. This is going to be the 12th lesson under Zuhra Educational Foundation, and inshallah we are going to continue from making up prayers. يجب قضاء ما في الذمة من الصلوات ولا يحل التفريط فيها. It is obligatory to make up what is owed from the prayers, and it is not permissible for one to neglect it. وَمَنْ صَلَّى كُلَّ يَوْمٍ خَمْسَةَ أَيَّامٍ فَلَيْسَ بِمُفْرِطٍ. Whoever prays every day 5 times of missed prayer is not a careless person. وَيَقْضِيهَا عَلَى نَحْوِ مَا فَاتَتْهُ, and is going to make up that missed prayer in its exact way. What do we mean here? إن كانت حضرية قضاها حضرية وإن كانت سفرية قضاها سفرية سواء كان القضاء في الحضر أو في السفر. If it is a residence prayer, he makes it up as a residence prayer. And if it is a traveler's prayer, he makes it up as a traveler's prayer, regardless of whether he was a resident or traveler when making up the prayer. What we are seeing here is very easy. What we refer here is that if someone misses a prayer while traveling, they make it up as a traveling prayer consisting of 2 rak'ats, even if they have returned home. But with the condition of that prayer's time has already elapsed. Similarly, if they miss a prayer at home, they are going to make it as a residence prayer, that is 4 rak'ats, even if they are going to observe that prayer in a traveling situation, provided that whenever they are making up that prayer, the time of the prayer has already elapsed. So this is what we are seeing. والترتيب بين الحاضرتين وبين يسير الفوائت مع الحاضرة واجب مع الذكر. Maintaining order between the 2 hadariyatain. Hadariyatain are those ones who have the same time, like Zuhur and Asr, Maghrib and Isha. And between the Yasir, we are going to see what is Yasir. Yasir is 4 prayers or below that. With the present prayer is the prayer that its time is due. It's compulsory with remembrance. We are all going to discuss this later through our tables. وَالْيَسِيرُ أَرْبَعُ صَلَوَاتٍ فَأَدْنَى. The little prayers are 4 prayers or less. ومن كانت عليه 4 صلوات فأقل صلاها قبل الحاضرة ولو خرج وقتها. If a person missed 4 or less prayers, he must pray them before the present prayer, even if the time of the present prayer will elapse. ويجوز القضاء في كل وقت. For the case of a qada, making up prayer, it is permissible at any time. ولا يتنفل من عليه القضاء. The one who is obliged to make up a missed prayer does not perform the voluntary prayer. ولا يصلي الضحى وقيام رمضان. He's not going to observe forenoon prayer, that is the duha prayer, and he's not going to observe salat al-tarawih. Okay. ولا يجوز له إلا الشفع والوتر والفجر والإيدان والخسوف والاستسقاء. It is just permissible for him to observe any prayer unless Salatul Shafa, Witr, Fajr, that is the 2 short rak'ahs prayer before Subhi prayer, the 2 Eid rak'ahs, the 2 Eid prayers, that is Eid al-Fitr wa Eid al-Adha, the Khusuf, that is the solar or lunar eclipse prayer, and Istisqa, prayer and seek for rain. ويجوز لمن عليه القضاء أن يصلوا جماعة إذا استوى صلاتهم. It is permissible for those who have make up prayer to pray in congregation if their missed prayer are the same. ومن نسي عدد ما عليه من القضاء صلى عدد لا يبقى معه شك. And whoever forgets the number of his missed prayer, he continue praying until he pray a number of prayers that completely removes all his doubt. One has taken 2 years, is not observing prayers, and he is a Muslim. Now that he has repented, he should continue praying until he feels like, yes, I have made up my prayers. A summarized note on making up prayers. First case, arranging the missed prayers with the present prayer is necessary, particularly arranging the prayers with fewer than 4 rak'ats, known as yasir, with remembrance before the present prayer. However, it is not an absolute condition. Yasir refers to prayers with 4 rak'ats or fewer. For example, if someone remembers the Fajr, Zuhr and Asr prayer at Maghrib time around 6 p.m., it's obligatory for them to prioritize the Yasir prayers even if the time of Maghrib is about to end. Explanation of this one. we can clearly see that here it is someone that missed ESA prayers. He missed 4 prayers and the present prayer is due. Okay. Now it is 1 p.m. but he has already missed Maghrib, Isha and Subhi. Okay. Now here he missed 3 prayers. So, and it is 1 p.m. which the time for Zuhur is due. So in this case, he have to perform Maghrib prayer, Isha prayer, Subhi prayer, then Zuhur prayer. When it is 4 p.m. and he remembers that he has missed 4 prayers, he have to observe Maghrib, Isha, Subhi, Zuhur, then Asr. When it is 6 p.m. and he also have to observe Maghrib, Isha, Subh, Zuhur, then Asr. The author said it can be clearly seen that the Asr prayers were observed first, then followed by the present prayer.